Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can scan your documents inside a WhatsApp chat. You don't need any other application, but inside the chat, there is an option now that you can scan the document and send it as a PDF. So how are you going to do it? Let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to open your WhatsApp application. Choose the chat that you want to send the document to. Then you need to tap on this icon here. This menu will appear. Then you need to choose document. So once you tap on document, here you will find three options. The last one is scan a document. Tap on it, your camera will open, and now you need to place the document and it will take a picture of it. As you can see, there are options that you can crop, rotate, filter, clean, retake the picture, or you can even delete it, but you're okay with it. All you need to do is to tap on done. Here is another option if you want to take another picture. Suppose you want to take the pages, the picture, scan the pages of a book, and you just tap on the plus icon and you can add more documents to it. So once you're done with it, you need to tap on done, and here you need to send. Just tap on the send option and this scan document will be sent to that specific chat. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.